Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have an experiment about hot and cold. All you need are 2 containers, one filled with ice water and one filled with hot water from your faucet. You also need an empty plastic bottle and a balloon. So all you need to do is put the balloon on top of the bottle and it traps the air inside. So all we have in the bottle is air and it's trapped by the balloon. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put the bottom of the bottle into the ice water. And we're going to use our observation skills and look at the balloon to see what happened. Does it expand? Does it stay the same? Does it get smaller? Then you're going to do the same thing with the hot water. What happens when you put the bottom of the bottle into the hot water and it heats up the air inside? Do you think the balloon will inflate because maybe it needs more space? I don't know. You're going to have to experiment to find out. This has been Discovery at Home. We will see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.